Chapter 11: Future Trends and Opportunities. Introduction. The circular economy is not a fixed system. It evolves alongside social, technological, and environmental changes. As we look to the future, several trends and innovations are reshaping how resources are used, how products are designed, and how communities interact with materials. Understanding these trends is essential for NGOs, youth, and policymakers who aim to lead in the transition to more sustainable and resilient economies. This chapter explores the emerging technologies and systemic opportunities that are likely to influence circular practices in the coming years. From digital tools and smart materials to shifts in legislation and education, we'll uncover how today's innovations can become tomorrow's standard. It also highlights how young people can seize these trends to build impactful projects and shape a fairer, greener world. Technological advancements and digital innovations. In the AI-powered era, circular economy solutions are scaling faster and smarter than ever before. Across Europe, technologies like artificial intelligence and smart robotics are revolutionizing waste management systems. Companies such as Recycli.com and GreyParrot.ai are leading the way, installing intelligent automation systems in material recovery facilities, MRFS, in Germany, France, and Italy. Recycli's camera-based sorting robots, developed in partnership with Fanuc, can distinguish between dozens of material types with remarkable precision, achieving purity rates of up to 99% and improving recovery rates by more than 10%. Similarly, in France, GreyParrot's waste analytics tools, used in collaboration with Next Waste, enable MRFs to meet ambitious recycling targets while simultaneously lowering operational costs by optimizing sorting accuracy and efficiency. Alongside AI, the Internet of Things (IoT) plays a key role in making systems more responsive and efficient. Smart sensors embedded in waste bins across several European cities now notify collection services when they are full, helping to reduce unnecessary collection trips and lowering carbon emissions. These kinds of predictive, data-driven tools are essential to managing waste in real time and optimizing municipal services. Traceability is another crucial area, especially in the fashion and luxury sectors, where blockchain is emerging as a trusted enabler. In alignment with the EU's upcoming Digital Product Passport regulation, companies are leveraging blockchain to provide transparent, immutable records of a product's lifecycle. The Aura Blockchain Consortium, which includes major brands such as LVMH, Prada, and Cartier, demonstrates how authenticated product histories can support repair services, enable resale, and strengthen consumer trust in sustainable practices. In addition, pilot initiatives in garment labeling are starting to combine QR code technology with resale royalty models and digital storytelling, giving each product a unique identity and emotional value while encouraging circular behavior among consumers. Meanwhile, 3D printing is opening new possibilities for local, on-demand manufacturing. NGOs and community repair centers are using 3D printers to fabricate spare parts or tools, reducing dependence on global supply chains and extending the usable life of consumer products. This is particularly transformative in rural or underserved areas where access to replacement parts is limited. Finally, digital product-as-a-service platforms are reshaping consumption habits. In cities like Madrid and Barcelona, libraries of things allow residents to borrow everything from tools and kitchen appliances to camping gear and toys. These platforms not only reduce resource use and household waste, but also foster a culture of sharing and community collaboration. Through these technological pathways, the circular economy is proving that smart innovation and sustainability can and must go hand in hand, shaping a sustainable future through circular economy. While technological innovations often steal the spotlight in conversations about the circular economy, the true transformation lies in reimagining the systems, policies, and values that shape our daily lives. Building a sustainable future through a circular economy means more than just reducing waste. It means rethinking how we design products, educate future generations, empower communities, and collaborate across sectors to regenerate our natural and social environments. This future calls for a shift from linear thinking to circular solutions at every level, from EU-wide regulation to local youth-led projects. It demands that we embed sustainability into the fabric of education, promote policies that prioritize longevity and inclusivity, and develop business models that generate environmental and social value. In this section, we explore how circular principles are driving systemic change, creating a future where sustainability is not an afterthought, but a foundation. Policy frameworks and regulation. The European Green Deal, combined with regulations like the Eco-Design for Sustainable Products and Digital Product Passports, is setting the stage for transformative change. These policies incentivize reuse, repair, and recycling, while opening doors for youth-led pilots and NGO partnerships with municipalities. Education and youth empowerment. Nordic countries like Finland are embedding circular principles throughout education, from hands-on farming and recycling to entrepreneurship, preparing young people to design products and systems for a resource-efficient future. Such programs foster critical thinking and innovation among the next generation. Social innovation and inclusion. Circular projects are reshaping communities by enhancing social inclusion. Spain's Celsa Group, a leading steel recycler, recovers 97% of its output, creates thousands of jobs, and dramatically cuts CO2 emissions, demonstrating how industrial leaders can deliver both climate and social benefits. In the Netherlands, the social enterprise Closing the Loop buys and recycles end-of-life mobile phones from Africa, creating sustainable livelihoods while reducing e-waste. Cross-sector collaboration. Many of these successes stem from alliances: governments working with startups and universities, NGOs partnering with industries, and cities coordinating region-wide circular infrastructure. These coalitions accelerate innovation and scale, as we can see in some real-world examples of cross-sector collaboration in the circular economy across Europe. Valencia, Spain, regional government plus startups plus universities. In the Valencia region, policymakers have partnered with local tech startups and universities, like the University of Valencia and University Jaume de Furn, to co-develop a real-time digital platform aimed at minimizing food waste. The platform helps restaurants, supermarkets, and producers anticipate surplus food and connect it efficiently to community food banks. This coalition offers public recognition for sustainable businesses, fostering widespread participation in the circular initiative. Galicia, Spain, University of Vigo plus public agencies plus business incubator. Barcelona, Catalonia, Spain, municipality plus universities plus startups. Barcelona's urban circular economy labs illustrate how city councils can collaborate with academic institutions and tech startups to pilot circular solutions. Using the Think Sustainably tool, local businesses and residents receive personalized recommendations. This collaboration model accelerates innovation and demonstrates scalable CE practices. Flanders, Belgium, Circular Flanders Multi-Stakeholder Network. In Flanders, Circular Flanders acts as a central hub that bridges government agencies, businesses, civil society, and academia. This public-private civil society partnership coordinates CE initiatives, research, and policy alignment, demonstrating how structured inclusivity can drive regional circular progress. Edinburgh, UK, University plus Startups plus Innovation Centre, New Materials and Eco-Design. In the textile industry, Finland's Spinnova stands out as a pioneer. By transforming wood pulp, straw, or textile waste into fully biodegradable textile fiber without harmful chemicals, Spinnova shows how fashion can break free from its fossil fuel dependency. Their woodspin factory in Jyväskylä now produces 1,000 tons of sustainable fiber annually, supplying major brands and proving that scale and environmental responsibility can coexist. Furniture and interiors are also embracing circular design. The Netherlands Polygood, a product of the Good Plastic Company, uses 100% recycled polystyrene to create durable, cradle-to-cradle bronze-certified panels. These panels are now found in retail, hospitality, and educational spaces across Europe and beyond, preserving material value while elevating design standards. The biocomposite trend has reached household products too. Finnish firm Orthex, in collaboration with Stora Enso, developed a food-safe bioplastic made from wood fibers and sugarcane-derived polyethylene. Since 2018, up to 98% of these kitchenware items are bio-based, dishwasher-safe, and designed for recycling, and they help cut product carbon footprints by up to 80%. Emerging materials also include mycelium-based composites, grown from mushroom roots and agricultural waste. Though the pioneers are mostly US-based, e.g. Ecovative, similar concepts are taking root in Europe, especially in sustainable packaging and building insulation, thanks to EU bioeconomy support. Biodesign showcases like Material Matters 2024 in London highlight items made from olive pits, wheatgrass, and orange peels, each demonstrating regenerative design's boundless potential. This wave of innovation is rooted in eco-design principles championed by EU policy, particularly the Eco-Design Directive and the Circular Bioeconomy Strategy. Their goal: ensure products are durable, repairable, easy to disassemble, and made from safe, renewable, or recycled materials. With substantial funding available, designers, SMEs, and startups across Spain, Greece, North Macedonia, and wider Europe are now integrating these principles into daily practice, from local packaging solutions and sustainable textiles to next-gen furniture. Get inspired by material libraries. Explore free digital platforms like Materium, open-source recipes for bio-based materials, e.g. algae-based bioplastics, avocado seed leather. Material District, a library of innovative materials with circular potential. Circular Materials Hub, case studies on circular textiles, packaging, and interiors. Conclusion: Europe's future is unfolding through the fusion of cutting-edge technology, forward-thinking policy, and regional ingenuity. From AI-enabled recycling facilities in Germany and France to blockchain-protected fashion in Italy and France and social steel recycling in Spain and the Netherlands, innovation is reshaping our systems. As you explore these trends, think about how your local context, whether a youth collective, NGO, or city council, can translate them into meaningful, community-centered circular solutions. Chapter 12. Call to Action and Next Steps. Introduction. The journey through the circular economy, from understanding its principles to measuring its impact and exploring its future, is not just about learning, it's about acting. Now more than ever, we face a critical moment to rethink how we consume, produce, and live. This final chapter invites you to take that knowledge and turn it into meaningful action. Whether you are a young activist, a member of a local NGO, a student, or a community leader, you have the power to spark change. The circular economy thrives on collaboration, creativity, and participation. Its success depends not only on large-scale policies or technologies, but also on small, local, and personal choices made every day. This call to action is a guide to help you get involved, stay connected, and keep moving forward in building a more sustainable, inclusive, and circular future. Start where you are. You don't need a perfect plan or a big budget to contribute to the circular transition. Start small. Map the waste and resource challenges in your community. Is there food being thrown away? Are there electronic devices that could be repaired instead of replaced? Look for simple solutions like creating a local swap event, starting a repair club, or partnering with a local cafe to compost food waste. Every local action contributes to a global shift. Engage others. Circular change is collective. Involve your school, your neighborhood, or your organization. Host a circular economy workshop or screening. Start a campaign on social media. Reach out to local decision makers and propose circular solutions for your town or school. Collaborate with artists, educators, or youth councils to make circular topics more accessible and inspiring. Remember, real impact grows through networks. Use what you've learned. From measuring impact to understanding eco-design, the knowledge in this book can be applied in real projects. Use circular indicators to evaluate your activities. Apply eco-design principles to rethink how products are made or reused. Leverage digital tools to track progress, tell your story, and invite others to join you. Share your successes and challenges openly. Each experience is a lesson for others. Join the movement. Many national and European platforms support youth and NGOs involved in circular economy. Get involved with organizations like the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, Circular Economy Club, or Zero Waste Europe. Apply for Erasmus Plus or European Solidarity Corps funding to scale your ideas. Look for local makerspaces, eco-hubs, or university labs where you can learn and co-create solutions. Keep the momentum going. The circular transition is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process. Stay curious. Keep learning about new materials, digital tools, and community strategies. Connect with others across Europe who are on the same path. And above all, believe in the power of persistence. Change takes time, but with every step, you help build a system that respects both people and the planet. Closing message. A circular future is not only possible, it is already happening. It's being built every day by young people repairing laptops in community centers, by farmers using compost to enrich soil, by artists reusing textile waste, and by students pushing for sustainable school policies. Your role in this transformation matters. So start now, start small, but most importantly, start together.